Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5.
Hey y'all, about to install this wig, and this time I'm about to be using, this is Wig Dealer's Extreme Hold Lace Glue. And I ain't never, did I mention this waterproof? This is waterproof. I've never used like glue like this. I've always used like spray, so I'm scared. So I got this idea from, what's her name? What is her name? I forgot her name on YouTube. I think she's the only one on YouTube that actually dyed her hair like this. And for me, it was a hassle. Like, let me tell you, it was a hassle between trying to bleach, because when I was bleaching this, the black part was getting bleached and this bottom part was getting bleached, and I was over it. Like, it just, I had to go back and forth from the bleach to the black. I was over it, sis. Like, so I've already done everything. My hair is braided or whatever underneath. I put I wiped my forehead with the alcohol cotton pad, and now I'm about to first cut this in sections. Look at me trying something new. First off, so hair don't get glued. And I don't have no cap underneath here, y'all. Ooh. There's no cap, because that's just doing too much. Sis, I want to put the wig on and get the fuck. So I'm going to clip these sides back. Oh, you know what? What the fuck am I doing? I gotta cut the ear tabs. Fucking up already. Where are my scissors? How am I coming here with no scissors? What the fuck? Jesus. Is that too much? All right now. That one's tacky.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing.
Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I tinted my lace with tailored crown, tailored crowns, light brown, and I made it too dark. So wiping it off with water and a rag because I'm not walking out the house like this. Laddie right. The fuck?
Up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know what it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm not giving up. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm not giving up.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
I think she is lame. She is laying. Like what? I was gonna curl this, but I don't even think I'm about to go anywhere no more. So I'm probably just gonna straighten it. And that's it. This glue, I don't know if you have to wait a period of time before you get it wet, but it's looking like not waterproof to me. I don't know, I'm gonna wait a little while and then probably spray my lace with some water and then see how it act. Because when I was trying to get some of the lace tint off, I was scrubbing on this side. That's why this side looked better as far as the tint go. I took a washcloth and did like this, and then it was coming off. The lace was coming up. I'm like, what? Waterproof where? But maybe it gotta sit for a while before it was a name. I don't know, because I don't know nothing about no waterproof glue. I don't even know about regular glue. I be using sprays, and the spray is always easy for me. Like, that's the wig dealer waterproof glue. I always use her melting spray. I got 2 cans of this. I love this to death. Like, to death. Yeah. And I'm about out of this one. I can't even find my other one, so I'm about to order another one. I love my freaking hair. Like, I love this hair. I am sized. Bro, look at them wispies. Look at them wispies. Oh my God. I'm not even gonna straighten it. I think I'm gonna do it like this. I like the little natural crimp in it from when I like half blow dried it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. Damn. And I'll see y'all in the next one.